In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import SVG files into your project seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're working on graphic design or animation, being able to properly import SVG files can be a game changer, allowing you to leverage scalable vector graphics for a variety of uses. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to start by going to the top menu of your program, and there you'll find the File option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. You will want to hover over or directly select the import option from this menu. This will prompt another list specifically handling various file formats that you can bring into your project. From this list, carefully choose Scalable Vector Graphic, which should have a notation of .svg next to it. Now comes the part where you bring in your actual file. Navigate through your system directories until you find the SVG file you intend to use. When you've located it, go ahead and select the file. You should see an option or button to confirm this action. Click on Import SVG, and the file should now be part of your project workspace. Once your SVG is successfully imported, you might notice that it may not appear at the size you anticipated. Sometimes SVG files can be imported either very small or significantly large in relation to your workspace. Not to worry, this is an easy adjustment. You can use your scroll wheel for fluid zooming in or out to better view and handle your imported graphic. Another helpful tip is to check the scene outliner, which is a tool that can help you locate where the SVG has been placed in your workspace if you're having trouble finding it. After you've identified your SVG within the project, check if the import resulted in multiple segments or pieces of graphics elements. This is common and usually isn't a cause for alarm. If the SVG consists of several segments and you'd rather work with it as a single unit, you can quickly resolve this. Simply select all the segments that belong to your imported SVG. Once selected, you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J, which will join these pieces into a singular object. This way, manipulating or making further edits to the graphic becomes more straightforward and cohesive. And there you have it, a perfectly imported SVG file ready for you to adjust, animate, or use as you see fit within your project. Being able to import SVG files smoothly into your projects allows for greater flexibility and precision, especially with graphics that need to scale dynamically without loss of quality. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you master the art of SVG importation. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy designing!